Let me show you how you can withdraw your money on WordPlus, and let me also show you how you can link your bank account to the platform so you can be getting your payments and everything you need to know about WordPlus. First of all, let me start by explaining to you what WordPlus is all about, because even those that are sending links to you, they don't really know more about it. They are just after the money because the platform pays a lot of money. All right, WordPlus is a platform that uses people's WhatsApp to advertise products and services online. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your money on WordPlus, how you can link your bank accounts, and I'm going to be showing you how much I've made on this platform in the space of 2 weeks that I joined this business. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you now, my balance, how much I withdraw step by step from beginning to the end. So watch this video to the end. Don't skip. Watch it carefully so that you will not make mistake. Let me start by showing you how to withdraw your money on the platform. All right, I'm here with my phone. I'm going to be showing my screen with you now. Let's start. All right, all you need to do, go to your WordPlus, open on it, click on me. All right, I'm going to click on it. You can see my balance here. Look at how much I have here, and look at how much I've successfully withdrawn from the platform in the space of 2 weeks. Yes, guys, no work will pay you this kind of money. Trust me. All right, if you want to withdraw, click on withdraw after your balance. By the right, click on withdraw. I'm going to click on it. My own now, I only have the minimum amount I can withdraw on it is 33,000. All right, if I get up to 33,000 now, I'll click on verify. Always verify. Then click on submit. Once you click on submit, you are done. You will get your money in less than few minutes if you are using Opay. But if you are using palmpay, it will take up to 3 hours or 4 hours. But if you are using Opay, instantly within a minute you receive your money on it. All right, the next thing, let me also show you how to link your Opay or palmpay account number on this platform. All right, let's go back, because once you open it, this is how it's going to look like. So after you log into WhatsApp, you link your WhatsApp successfully on WordPlus, the first thing to do, go to your buy withdrawal bank account, click on it. My own is ticking green already, so it will not be clickable. If you click on this place, if you click on buy withdrawal bank card, you will see where you can link enter your Opay name, your account number, and you choose your bank, if Opay or palmpay, and click on submit. That's all. You don't need to do any other thing about it. Just refer people. One person you refer, you get your 5,000 naira. Trust me, WordPlus is really paying. I can show you. Let me show you. This is 86,000 naira. I've successfully withdrawn 86,000 naira from this platform, and that's massive, my brother. That's massive without paying a dime. You don't need shishi to register. They are not asking you money for coupon code and all those things. Just register for free. And if you are interested to start this business, if you're interested to join WordPlus and start making your money, send I to this number showing on your screen right now. Send I am interested on WhatsApp. I'll attend to you. I'll send you the link and guide you on how to go about it so you can start getting your money on WordPlus. All right, let me show you all the withdrawal success. This 86,000, let me show you how I withdraw it. All right, I'm going to click on withdrawal success. As you can see, my first withdrawal was 1,000 naira, and you, if you start new, your first withdrawal will be 1,000. The second one was 5,000 naira. Yes, this particular one, I withdraw 5,500 and they took 500 naira for their charge and then gave me 5,000 naira. I withdraw these two money, this 5,000 and 1,000. I withdraw this money in the space of 3 days that I joined WordPlus, and after 4 days I withdraw my 30,000 naira. This is it, and they took 3,000 naira charge. After 3 days again, that's in 1 week, I withdraw my 50,000 naira on WordPlus. So WordPlus is paying. It is not scam. It is real. Believe me. Because a lot of you have been asking, people are disturbing me. Sometimes if I send links to my friends, they will be like, oh more this thing, they go hack my WhatsApp, they will do this or that. Trust me, it is real. You can be making a lot of money from this platform if only you are serious. Refer it to your friends, to your family. If you are a student, you have a better chance of making a lot of money from this platform. Alright guys, if you find this video interesting and helpful, don't wait to give this video a thumbs up, like and comment. If you want me to do anything for you, if you want to ask any question, you can let me know on the comment section.